PowerPoint is a computer program that allows you to create and show slides to support your presentation. You can combine graphics, text, and multimedia content to create your presentations. It is the most commonly used program that we all use to prepare a presentation. Most of the features in Word is also available in PowerPoint. This interface is very similar to that of MS Word. The image editing options like cropping and removing background, applying borders, everything is available in PowerPoint too. Hence, in this video, you will see only some of its features. Now let's see how to convert your PowerPoint slide to an image file like JPEG or TIFF or a PDF file. It is a very simple process, and this feature is available in higher versions of MS Word like 2013, 2016, etc. This will be useful to prepare image files, say a title slide to a video you create or even a brochure. Now let's see how to prepare a brochure using a PowerPoint slide. We will make everything here and then we will convert it into an image file. So to start doing, go to Design, select Slide Size and Custom Slide Size. Now by adjusting the width and height here, you can increase or decrease the size of the slide here. Now let me change the width and height. And then let me select Ensure Fit. Now the size of the slide has changed. Now you can do this adjustment, that is changing this slide size in this manner according to your requirements of the brochure. Then using this text box option or quick styles option and inserting images and all, you prepare your slide. Now I have entered all the matters that has to be included in this brochure. I have just designed it roughly just to show you how to convert it into an image. Now go to Files, Save As, choose a folder, give a file name, let me give it as brochure, and in the Save As button you can choose from any of these 4 options. These are all image formats, so you can choose either a GIF format, JPEG format or PNG or TIFF. Let me choose a JPEG format and click on Save. Now the PowerPoint will ask you whether you want to convert all the slides in this presentation to an image file or just this particular one, the slide which we have selected. Now here I have only one slide, so let me choose just this one. Now if you go to the folder, you will see an image file, a JPEG file with the name you have given, brochure. So this is that file. Now if you zoom in, you can see the file. So this is how you convert a slide to a JPEG image or any TIFF file or GIF image or anything. Now you can also convert this PowerPoint slide to a PDF file. For that, go to again Save As, choose a folder, give a file name, say brochure PDF. Then select Save As type and here you have PDF. Click on Save. So your slide has been converted to a PPT slide now. Sorry, a PDF file now. Now you can try this option when you want to prepare a brochure within no time. Next we will see how to create a video using a PowerPoint presentation. This kind of video creation will not be of professional quality, but still this will be useful to submit an assignment. Say you can submit your assignment or seminar script to your teacher in this way. You will be explaining the contents of the slides in your own voice and creating a video. So the teacher will understand how you are going to present your seminar or how much you have understood about the topic and so on. And she can give suggestions based on that. It will also be useful to share with your friends. You can explain a topic to your friends in this way, rather than explaining or clearing your friends' doubts over the phone. Since it is a video with visuals and a voiceover, your friend will understand it better. Lastly, you can create your own videos of any topic of your choice, say educational videos or any other interesting topics like your hobbies, etc. If it is somewhat better, you can even upload it in YouTube and share with others. So let's get on with how to create a video using a PowerPoint presentation. The first step is to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. Give animations to it wherever you want and then save the PowerPoint presentation. Then connect your headphones to a computer and then go to SlideShare. Then click on Record SlideShare. Record from current slide. In the new window that appears, tick both these boxes and click on Start Recording. Once you click on the Start Recording button, it will go to the presentation mode. So let me click that. On the top right, you can see an arrow button which can be used to go to the next slide or animation. A pause button using which you can pause your recording, which I have done right now. You can resume recording when you are ready. These are the timers. You can use this arrow button here or the arrow button on the keyboard to go to the next slide or next action and then explain the slides in your own voice. Now I am going to press this resume recording button and start the recording. I'll show you just a presentation, like I will explain this slides in my own words and let's see how it works. Welcome to the next session on nuclear fusion reactions. What are nuclear fusion reactions? Nuclear fusion reaction is a process in which two light nuclei combine to form a heavy stable nucleus with the liberation of large amounts of energy. Now these two equations are examples for nuclear fusion reactions. In the second equation, four protons combine together or fuse together to form a helium atom with the liberation of large amounts of energy. Now where does this energy come from? This energy released is due to the mass defect. Now after your recording, you just close this. Now you can see a speaker button on the slide. If you bring your cursor on this icon and click, a play button will be visible. Now if you play it here, you will be able to hear the recording that you have done. Now this icon can be seen in every slide where you have given such a voice recording. Now go to File, click on Save As, choose a folder, give a file name. Let me give the file name as Fusion. Then click on Save As Type and select MPEG-4 video and then save. Now at the bottom you can see your slides being converted into a video. Let's wait until it is complete. After complete conversion, go to the folder and you will see your video file in MP4 format. Now instead of using this saving as option, you can also go to File, Export, Create a Video, again click Create a Video, and the same process will occur. Your PPT will be converted into a video file. If you are not confident to record the whole slides at a go, I'll show you another option where you can explain each slide one by one and then combine everything to create a video. For that, go to the Insert tab, click on Audio and Record Audio. Now, click on this red button and start explaining the slide. Hello, welcome to Nuclear Fusion Reactions. In this manner, you go on recording, and after complete recording, you just click this blue button and then click on OK. Now the same icon will appear here, and you can see you can play the audio here. Now do this for the next slide, and then again combine all this to create a video by using either the file save as option and selecting MP4 file, or then using this export option.